I do not know why. I was trying to video this for you folks. We cut our tree back, a lot of big branches off because they could have fallen during this storm and they didn't. But we had to trim it back, and I was checking on my little bay tree, and I wanted to save this wood for burning if it's possible. They had to charge the cutter that they used, and I'm making spaghetti, baked spaghetti. Here's all the branches. They're huge. Good thing this tree was here. He would have ruined his plant. He was a little mad at me because I was yelling, and I was on the phone trying to get information to get my wedding ring cut off because it's choking my finger, see? And my husband's like, "You don't trust me? I can cut it off." And I'm like, you know, if it gets cut off right, they can, size it for me. And I guess because it's a wedding ring, the ladies I was talking to, it's a hotline nurse. Anyway, I was on the phone for 2.5 hours. Flooded the bathroom, left the water on in the bathroom. It went through the walls on the other side. And life is kind of interesting. I think they should have taken down these other 2 palms. I want to not lose our fence. And I kind of got mad because he was starting in on the starfruit tree. And anyway, after 51 years of marriage, I guess you don't have the same tolerance that you used to have. I don't know. Hey, I got a cucumber growing. They're not too happy, but I'm going to give them some water. And I covered up I put these here so they're up off the ground because all these seeds have to be harvested. Oh my word. They're purple. See, they're purple? This stuff will grow on a vine. See the little purple things? I need to harvest them. This is what the flower looks like. It's yummy. I picked some and put it in my Simeon with some basil. This is the bananas, and they need more dirt around them. Normally it's called hill of potato. You just put a bunch of soil and put the potatoes in it. This ground is really hard. It's Hawaiian stuff. Clay, it's red clay. It's very healthy though. There they are! They're sprouting! I covered them up so the birds wouldn't pick them apart, and the chickens, and look at! Whoa! I stuck the right end in. Yay! And then this stuff is fertilizer. Yay! I covered them up over here too. One of them didn't get in the ground very good. Well, there's a hole right here, so we'll just stick it in there. I had planned on putting the I don't know, we had to remove part of the apple tree too because it was termite rotted to save the house. Somebody in the comments talked to me about it before in one of the live streams. I just stop in on live streams all the time, different ones, finding people that need help and telling them about Jesus, and that's all you can do. This stuff got really torn up by the wind pretty bad, and I'll go through with another pair of shears and trim back the dead leaves because your plant has to work harder when it has a disease or has been damaged like this. And I will also check to see if it's ready to be harvested. Normally it'll die back all the way, and then there's some new baby ones coming up around the big ones. So sometimes I'll just dump extra soil. Well, after I get through, there's one of the new spinach, spinach coming up right there. I used to have it over in this area and it would climb on the, anyway, we have help from my son-in-law, my daughter who's the licee. You have to have a person who's 50% Hawaiian in order to receive these lands. I covered your sunflowers are coming up. Yeah. And you guys, you know what? Find out if we can use this wood and the mango wood for firewood and get a pallet to put it on in the back and cut it up into chunks, because I don't want to fight with people for the kiawe when I'm allergic to kiawe. So we'll look up to see if you can burn the wood. I'm pretty sure you can. Well, I figure if we have a pallet as high as the, you know, okay, I love y'all. Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year. People set off percussion bombs last night that just about shocked my poor brain injury brain. Bless your heart. The Lord loves you.